Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing a super gorgeous flaky polish by Nailed in my new nail polish of the week video. But of course, grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, before going in with the base, which is one by Dior, I adore that one. It is so nice to work with. It is definitely on the higher price range, but definitely worth the money. But yeah, before going into that, you want to make sure that you have removed any nail polish that you might still have on your nail. If you have clean nails, I always recommend to also clean off the bare nail surface with a little bit of nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol or anything like that, so there isn't any dust or oils or anything like that on the nail. If you have something like that on your nails and you go in with your polishes straight away, there is a chance that your manicure won't last as long, because like natural oils, like dust, debris, stuff like that can really be like a hazard when it comes to application and most of all adherations. And as usual, you can just use any type of base coat that has your personal preference. I just really love this one. I have been getting some comments of people who really are hating on me because I am using such an expensive brand. I feel like to each their own. I just bought this one because I really wanted to try a super expensive high-end brand such as Dior. I have tried Chanel as well because I feel like, is there a difference, you know, between really expensive ones and more affordable ones like Essence, Catrice, Sally Hansen, stuff like that. But yeah, you know, let's just be respectful towards anyone, and I totally understand if you don't have the budget to actually buy this one. Been there, done that. Trust me, I have been really low on budget for pretty much everything when I was younger and still in university and stuff like that. So I totally get it where you are coming from, but please be respectful to one another in the comment section, because my channel is a safe place, a safe haven where we can all enjoy and talk about nails, nail polishes and so on. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this beautiful polish because oh my, this is a stunner. This one is called Secrets of the Ocean. It is by Nailed. It is quite a new brand that I just recently dipped my toes into because I discovered hypnoticpolish.com like a while ago. And you might have heard me talking about this web store for a while now as well, because I genuinely really love that store. They have so many beautiful brands such as Nailed It, but also KB Shimmer, Sur Color, Starrily, like a lot of beautiful indie brands. And of course these are a little bit more expensive. They aren't your regular like towards €5 bottles of polish. These are more towards 10 or from 10 towards like 13 euros, you know. But yeah, I really love this brand, and I saw this color when I just recently did another order at hypnoticpolish.com. So yeah, I have purchased this one myself. I have also purchased pretty much the base and top coat as well, like everything I'm showing you in this video I have purchased myself. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just love sharing my personal thoughts whether or not I have bought it myself. So yeah, I'm always really clear about that when I do get something sent out to like swatch or talk about or anything like that. But yeah, I really love this polish. Like as you can see here, there are so many different colors in these flakies or these flakes. It's insane. It's really beautiful, and you guys might know from like a couple of previous videos as well that I've been slightly just trying out using sheer polishes too, because usually I tend to go for the really opaque ones, just the full coverage ones, but sheer polishes really are starting to like take up a little place in my heart, especially flaky ones like these. They're just gorgeous, and that second coat, it isn't even that bad. Usually I don't like my natural nail line to like peek through the nail polish, especially when it comes to like one full on colored coat, if you know what I mean. But for flaky ones like this one, it really doesn't bother me. I think it actually looks kind of fairy-like and like magical. I don't know, it's just a really beautiful polish. One thing that I did notice is that there are some bigger pieces of flakes in there as well. I'm not quite sure what I think about that, because it's quite like random where you will get them, depending on how much polish is on your brush, of course, and also how many coats you are going to apply. But yeah, on one of my nails I actually had a really big chunk of a flake and it doesn't really look bad or something like that. It's a beautiful flake nonetheless. Of course, you can see how many colors are in here. It's like an ocean rainbow in a bottle or something. But yeah, I don't know how I feel like having just very few of the bigger like chunks of flakes in there. I just feel like the smaller particles reflect more. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. But just a heads up, there are some bigger parts in here as well, so if you're not into that and you just prefer the smaller bits, definitely watch that while applying this polish. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this, just apply 2 coats of this nailed it polish, because I feel like otherwise it would become a little glumpy or like thick and just not nice for my nails to really wear. I don't really love the feel of super thick, like built up nails, if you know what I mean. Of course, these are my natural nails and I do have a little bit of gel base and top coat as a sturdy base for my nails, because I do have a manual job and it's just really easy to remove nail polishes afterwards, especially me being like a YouTuber as well, swatching a lot of polishes like every single week. It's just easy to have a base layer, like foundation, I'd say, that makes it more easy to remove polishes. So yeah, it has a couple of like pros, mostly pros for me, to just have a little bit of gel underneath. Of course, it's just gel polish, so it's not builder gel, so it's not thick or anything like that. So yeah, if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask them down below. I can give you some brands names that I use and stuff like that. But yeah, after your coats of flaky polish are completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I just used one which is super affordable by H&M. It's from the Quick Dry, like the ASAP Quick Dry collection. It's such a nice formula. I really love that one. And I think it's like €6 or something. You can pretty much get it online at their web store as well. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video already. Let me know what you think about this polish down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.